Welcome, sir, to Daya Masterpieces. How are you doing today?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you.
And how are you dealing with this lockdown?
Oh, yeah, it's almost a month now. We are in lockdown, operating from home. So, getting used to the new norm more than us. Our clients are getting used to it.
Right.
And it's a very good experience. It saves your time, your money, all the resources, and you can still, get the work done. So, it's a fantastic experience.
That's a positive twist to it. Very few
Right.
people have that.
Correct.
Well, sir, to start this interview, can we know a bit about your career journey?
Oh yeah, sure. I mean, in fact, my career, it's a very interesting story, the way I started. I always,
Okay.
in fact, I grew up with a dream to join army. And I was preparing myself. In fact, I was very active. If you are aware, RSP, Road Safety Patrol.
Yes, yes.
I was very actively involved in that. So going beyond RSP parade, I used to get involved into learning new things from the defense service point of view. Then during college days, I was a naval NCC student, and I was always involved in going beyond parade or involved in learning or getting advanced training. I was always involved in adventure sports. And I thought, my parents and everyone has accepted my decision to join army. But it's only after graduation, when parents really talk to me about careers, they said, nothing doing, you're not going to army. And we had major discussion, few days of, if I can use the word distancing, communication distancing with parents. And then finally, those days parents used to decide what you will do. So finally I had to give up, and then parents wanted me to join bank, and I never imagined myself working in the bank. So I said, I am not interested in bank, and they said, you're not going to army. So I decided, okay, let me explore it on my own. And without any guidance, without any mentoring, I decided to join corporate sales. And that was the beginning of my career.
Okay.
Very soon, I realized that sales is not for me. And though I was doing good, earning well and all that, but I realized that I'm not happy doing sales.
Right.
So still, by the time I made up my mind, I had already spent around 3 years and changed 2 jobs. And what we call dance of life, I was seeking happiness in career. So in introspection, I realized I have creative talent which is not used in my present job, and I want bigger responsibilities. I want to work more on a planning, on a strategy level, which is not happening in the present job. So I decided, after talking to a couple of senior guys, I decided to move to advertising, and that was one of my best decision of my life, because I did my PGD, postgraduate diploma in advertising and public relations. I scored well. I was topper in the college, and I started my career journey in advertising. As I said, it was the best decision because I never had to look back. I worked in advertising agency for more than 6 to 8 years. I did excellently well. I was growing. I was earning good money. I was earning good reputation in the minds of client, and also with my team. Advertising team members were also enjoying my presence in the team, and we were doing excellently well. But again, after a few years, I realized that I'm happy, but there is something missing. And what is that? Then I decided that okay, I should change the side of the table and I should go in for bigger responsibilities. And again, that was a very good strategic move as far as my career is concerned. I moved to marketing side on the client, on a business side. And that was, again, I would say, the best decision of my life. I prospered a lot in that particular field. I worked there for 10 years. I earned everything, if I can say, name, fame, money, everything. So if you see, the point that I want to tell you is that during my career overall, initial 3 years is something I spent in, witnessing dance of life and career exploration. But after that, I could discover my passion and I could continue with it. Presently, I am a marketing consultant. I am NLP practitioner and part-time career mentor with AI.
So, sir, how did this extensive career from sales to marketing to advertising, how did that translate into you being a career mentor?
Oh, yeah. So basically, career mentor, I don't look at it as a occupation.
Okay.
Okay, because I feel that everyone has responsibility, everyone owe to something to the society. And I feel that by becoming career mentor, I'm utilizing my knowledge, whatever I have learned hard way, I'm trying to simplify it and I'm trying to offer it in a career guidance format to the young generation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not really an occupation for me, but it's like a help, a service to the next generation or people who are stuck in the career. Because I have helped early stage career, I mean, people who are stuck at early stage and are clueless as to how do they take forward the career journey. Or I have worked with mid-career people who are stuck in the career or suddenly jobless and they don't know what to do. And they are really clueless as to whether they should start the business or whether they should find a new job or what should be the next career move. So I have worked at different stages of clients and I have realized that my expertise, my knowledge, my experience of working with different industries really coming handy. And most importantly, my NLP practice, which is awareness of psychology, is also helping me a lot when it comes to career guidance.
So, sir, can you tell us of any specific experience, or can you tell us about your experience with Daya over these years?
Sure. So Daya, I started working with Daya since 2018. To be very precise, I completed my training. I remember it was 26 Jan when I actually started my first level training. I was a little skeptical. I didn't know that time that whether this is what I want to do or whether I'll be continuing with this. But as a curious mind, I decided, okay, no harm in learning. Learning will never go waste. So I enrolled myself into the training program and I completed the training. I was happy to learn something new, but I had not had my personal experience with Daya's product.
Okay.
It happened only when I did the session for my son. The mentor was from Bangalore and it was a Skype session. And that is the time I realized the power of Daya. That is the time I realized how well structured the program is. And most importantly, the change that happened in my son's overall thinking, the body language about career, the career orientation that happened. It was very impressive change, and that's when I realized the power of Daya's product. And that is a time, and that is the moment I decided that I'm going to now help Daya reach out to many people who are stuck in career with the help of this powerful product and a well-structured approach towards career planning. Of course, there are many. I've done over hundreds of sessions, and I've come across many instances where it was a memorable case, which I can say. But to name a few, I would like to mention first is that the workshop conducted for engineering students in Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology in Sangli. Why it is a memorable? Because in just 2 days time we had to do this complete session for 500 students. And it was so meticulously planned and it was only handled by around 25-26 people from their side, including mentors. So in 2 days time, it was very well handled. All the students were happy, they got the career path and we delivered the product commitments. So that is one thing which I remember and which is really memorable and which I should mention here. Apart from that, on an individual level, there are many instances or many memorable incidents that have happened, like students who wanted to pursue, say, engineering but who are doing something else, so course correction happened at the right time. Okay.
Right.
Or I would suggest, I cannot disclose the names due to confidentiality thing, but I remember one case of mid-career where a banker working in multinational bank at the age of 47 got stuck in life and he was not having clarity in life as to what he should do. And after the mid-career session, I could help him and I could, show a career path. And today, after a year or so, when I got in touch with him, he was really thanking me with full gratitude and for showing a good career path to him. So there are many cases like this, and when you hear like this, and the parents especially who are in touch with me for guiding their children to right career path, when they call you, when they thank you, you really feel good. You cannot measure this happiness and satisfaction in money. Okay, so this is what I think I would like to mention about my experience with them.
You must feel so happy because I can see you, smiling when you're talking about it. So it must be a very satisfactory work for you, clearly.
Oh yeah, really. Yes, of course. I mean, it's so not only satisfactory, but
you have taken numerous sessions up till yesterday. So do you have any observation or do you have any message that you would like to give out to the viewers?
Yeah, certainly. In fact, what I would like to tell is that career occupies major portion of your life, right? And if you have happy career, you will have happy life. Okay? And after having dealt with people of different ages for career guidance, What I would like to tell you is, and tell the viewers through this platform, is that there is never too late when it comes to seeking career clarity and taking corrective path. Okay, most ideally, yes, you should start at teenage level, maybe 13
Yes.
years onwards. But suppose you didn't had opportunity to do it that time, early stage or mid career is also a right time according to me to seek career clarity and follow the path.
So aim for happy career, aim for happy life. That's what you would like to say.
Yes, and there is the right time is now.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for this amazing conversation. And
Thank you.
thank you for being associated with Daya and helping so many kids as well as professionals to have clarity in their careers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for today as well.